I'm absolutely in love with the new camera control button. And yeah, I kind of don't like the fact that the button isn't stationed here. Here's the deal. You click on it once and it's opening up your button here, right? If you tap on it once, you're gonna get your whatever. Tap on it twice, right? You're gonna get exposure, or you're gonna get depth of field. You can get your zoom. You tap on that. Now look, you can use your fingers and scroll back and forth. And actually, if you hold your finger towards that, let me ask you something. Isn't that much easier than what we're doing with, say, going in here, going to video? And yeah, I know we can go up here to here, and then literally sliding up and down rocker this way. I'm not too sure, but I do like the fact that I got that. I'm recording, but I can also have some quick access to specific things. Not too sure if this is similarly the same, but I do like the fact that I'm able to quickly access whatever options I need. Whether it be, look, I can go to the cameras now, hold on to that. Then I can go in and go into my cameras, right? Then I can quickly zoom to here. Can fix the tone. I don't know, guys. What do you think? I think people are just underestimating what really the camera action button can do. It's tough for me though, and this isn't even the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is just the Pro version. But I do like the fact that we have these options, and they're pretty quick options. I mean, if I'm looking again to use my phone as a point and shoot camera, bam, it's like that. And the only other like camera of the time that can do this are Sony cameras. Like, say for example, this Sony Xperia I, not too sure if it's charged, but again, they have the quick action button for the camera and the quick action button for the, and you know, the camera button here and the video record button here. I do like the camera button here, and you can program it where if you want to leave it to video or if you want to leave it to photo, you can press down on it to take a picture. It's pretty quick. Again though, I do like just touching it and being able to now look, able to see and zoom real quick. So it's really like a quick feature. 16 Pro. But I did upgrade to a bigger storage size, only because there's nothing really different with the Pro series. I just wanted to see what it would be like to have a smaller phone. Recording wise, my daily driver is a 15 Pro Max. On that note, guys, thank you very much. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit thumbs up. Subscribe, and please take a look at my Patreon account. Feel free to subscribe for $1 a month or hit the free subscription. Thanks again. This is Consumer Compute, and I'll see you.